Welcome to this edition of How to Decorate Your Dojo. I'm Major Prime, your dojo quality of life switch representative. In this video, we're going to talk about something that affects many dojos, the navigation and layout. So many dojos fall prey to this problem simply because there was no planning beforehand. So let's take care of that. I'll share links to dojo building websites in the video description below. With that said, let's go. This is the room you are given when starting a clan. It's called Clan Hall. The first thing you want to do is to place an elevator by the room's console side, over here. Now, opposite to the elevator is where you should allocate the Oracle room, reactors, and barracks. This is the Oracle room. You are required to build this room in order to build the labs. There is nothing special about this room other than being a prerequisite to building other rooms. This is why I advise to place the Oracle room with the reactors, an area that no one will ever visit. This is a reactor room. Each reactor room provides 25 energy points. Each room in the dojo has an X amount of required energy points. If you do not have the amount of required energy points for a room you wish to build, then you will have to build a new reactor. Let's move over to the main floor and talk about navigating the dojo, because we all know how important it is to be able to find your way. The purpose of this layout is to make it easy for players to trade, donate resources to the clan, access the labs and dry dock, start missions from the observatory, and check out the stuff we built. Alright, let's start with the spawn room. You want to make this room the point from which travelers can go anywhere. And you want to equip it with a trading console, a clan vault console, and a ludoplex console. We do this because the majority of players will not tour the dojo after they are done trading or getting research from the labs. Remember this, the easier you make it for players to access what they come for, the better. It's all about the visitor's experience, and a huge chunk of that experience is affected by how easy or difficult it is to get to the places you want in the dojo. Let's have a look at how visitors will travel. From the spawn room, travelers can go over to the labs, then continue on to the dry dock, and finally make it to the observatory. Visitors can also choose to walk over to the transporter room and make it to the Crimson Branch. You may be asking, why a transporter room? My answer, it just makes travel in the dojo a lot simpler. On one side, you get to walk through the main dojo. On the other side, you get to transport yourself to areas outside the main dojo. That's it. Hey, you! Don't forget to subscribe. Alright.